In this video, I'm going to show you guys on how you can actually create African folktale videos that actually have a dialogue. Right here in the screen, I'm going to see that this is what this ESA channel is actually doing, and they have actually gained over 56,000 subscribers with just 180 videos, and every month they are actually making $2,300 every month. And the good part of it is that this channel can be monetized on YouTube. And if you actually follow me to the end of the video, I'm going to show you guys on how you can actually legally get 1,000 Google Flow credits or even Pro plan for free in this video. So first thing you're going to do is to go over to ChatGPT and write this. Write me a dialogue story on my native dialects. Then you can actually put in the exact language you speak. Me, I'm Igbo, so I'm going to be putting Igbo. If you're an Hausa, Yoruba, or Ghana, you can put in Ghana, your language in Ghana, and then put in this and make the story have value. So this is it right here. Once you are putting this, what you are going to do now is to send this exact stuff to your ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will come up with a story for you which you are going to use to make this video. So right here in the screen, you're going to see that this is the exact story that ChatGPT have actually come up with for us in the screen. So when ChatGPT have written all that, what you are going to do next is to create a scene for this exact story. So now what you are going to do now is to type in this. I want you to break down my scripts into different scenes. For each scene, make sure you give me 3D pixel. So try to put in that pixel style so that it will give you the exact particular style we need in this video. And image prompts for each scene. It should be 2 lines. I do have eye problems, so it will be giving me some issues. So when you have actually done that, simply send that to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will convert that exact scene or that exact story to scene by scene dialect. So right here, you are going to see right now that ChatGPT have actually converted this exact scene by scene. So this is the exact chart we are going to be discussing with ChatGPT to be able to come up with that. So when you have actually done that, what you are going to do next is now go over to your Google Flow to create out this scene. So I'm going to now go over to Google Flow. Remember, I'm going to be showing you guys on how to get a free Google Flow account or free 1,000 Google Flow account. So let me just copy this, and then I'm going to go over to Google Flow, then create account. So when I create that, actually set this to image. So when you have sent that to image, paste in your prompts and then send. So Google Flow will actually start creating image for you. So you can actually decide to set this to 1 so that it will create 1 image for you, so that it will not be wasting a lot of your credits, though Google Flow will allow you to create for free in here. But when you are creating videos, it requires you to create with credits. So right now, this will actually create, and that's what you are going to do to all the scenes. So all the scenes right here, we are going to do that definitely in this exact part. So you can actually see that I have actually generated all the image that's need in this story. So what I'm going to do now is to go over to ChatGPT and write in this prompt. I want you to give me video generation prompt for each image prompt. They should have a dialogue. Make sure you do the Google Flow so that it will be a conversational angle. So when another person says, let's say the child says something, the elder will actually respond, or when the elder says something, the child will also respond. This is the exact prompt you are going to do, and right here it will actually write that out. Try to screenshot this part to be able to keep on your phone, because I might not put it on my description. So right now, what I'm going to do now is to copy this exact prompt that ChatGPT are giving to me, and then I'm going to go over to Google Flow to start creating. So in Google Flow, first of all, set this to video, and then come over here and change this to V3 video, or you can actually leave it in fast. So why I'm using light is it will consume a little credit for me, but for now I'm going to be using the light, but I'm going to be using the fast. So right now what I'm going to do now is to actually hold this, then click on add to prompt. So I'm going to then send in the exact command, and then send that. ChatGPT will look at that exact command and start generating the videos for us. So I'm going to actually do this video behind the scene for you to actually pay attention for it. So guys, you can actually see right here that this one I've actually generated to save more of my time. So if I tap on it to watch now, you're going to see.
Chinedu, biko ga ahia zuto osikapa na mmanu. Lee ego puku se. Odi manne. Agamaloga chingwangwa.
Can you actually see that this is what it actually did now, and you can actually see that is a conversational something. So what you are going to do is to simply download these exact videos one after the other, and then go over to your CapCut to jam pack both of them or all of them together to be able to have in one particular long video for yourself, for you to actually start posting it on your YouTube or your Robo or wherever they call it. I'm going to put in the screenshot in my screen. You can start posting there for you to start monetizing immediately when you hit 100 followers right there in the screen. So now, if you have actually stayed to this exact extent, congratulations for staying. And if you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Now let's move into how can we get 1,000 credits for ourselves in Google Flow. Right here, you're going to see that I am in Pro right now, and this is it right here. I am in Pro. I have 840 credit because of what I actually created. So let me show you how you can actually do so or have your own credits. What you are going to do is to make use of the link in my description for you to get in catch Chipper Card. There is a platform called Chipper Card. So if you already have an account in this Chipper Card, definitely, which means you are going to be accessing this exact thing totally for free. But if you don't have any card in the platform, let me show you how you can actually get it. So if I log into my Chipper Card right now, I can then go and get my card. Oh, damn, I'm using my new account. That one is in my phone, but let me show you how you can do that. Definitely. So right here, if you already have an account on Chipper Card or card in Chipper Card, definitely what you are going to simply do is to copy your Chipper card and then wait for me to show you what you can do. But if you don't have an account here, what is required for you to get account on Chipper Card is just get card on Chipper Card is just $5 to be able to use to get card. So when you have $5, simply click on claim card and then put in that and click on continue to be able to register your card, and then you get your card successfully for yourself. Okay, but I've already have an account on my store, so I'm going to also show you how to do that. But if you don't have an account, go now to get your account ready. So when you have actually getting your account ready, remember this $5 is just 7,000, while this Pro I'm talking about is almost 28,000. You can actually see the differences right now. So when you have getting the card, what you are going to do now is to log out from your new account or log in with a new account. So that account I use, I had to log out from it, then log into a new account. New account right here, I'm going to actually sign in to it. So when you actually sign into it, remember they will actually give you a free credit which you can use to start creating. But for us to get what we need, you have to click on, I had to click on Flow before I access that. Then come over here and click on the place that say upgrade. So right here in upgrade, what you are going to do is to come over the place that say Google AI Pro. So right here in Google AI Pro, you can actually see that you can access this for just 0 naira for 1 month. So what I'm going to do is to click on Get Google Pro and then click on Agree. So when you click on Agree, say I should add card, I got to click on Add Card. So when you click on Add Card, they will tell you to add your card. Use that exact card you just created. So I'm going to get my card right now. I'm going to be blocking this exact part because of some people. So right now I'm going to copy. So when you have actually put in all your details, what you are going to do now is click on Save Card. And your card will be saved. They will say to charge that. I'm going to simply click on Subscribe. You are going to see it will actually show you successful. But the reason why it's showing this thing because I created a new Gmail and I've used this phone for the first exact email. So I'm going to simply click on Got It, and then they will start just refresh that and you can actually go with it. So what this means is that they will give you a free trial which you are going to use to be able to get your 1000 credit for yourself, which is what I actually did in my former account. So this is what I did in this account, and this exact account, George Lab Tech. So I have different accounts. I have it. So this is what I did right here to be able to get that 1000 credits. But because they have detected my account severally, so that's the reason why they are showing that. So that's the way you are going to actually do it. But remember to cancel the plan once it's up to 1 month so that they will not charge in your account. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.